Hi guys, this is Sula. Welcome to my kitchen. We're gonna cook today something delicious and easy for the whole family. We're gonna start, we have chicken. We're gonna start, put the spice on the chicken, salt and pepper. You can put how much salt you like. And then I'm gonna leave this on the side. We're gonna use our vegetables. The vegetables is zucchini and one medium onion, about a cup. You don't have to chop it very fine because cloves of garlic. Okay, and chop the heat medium high to 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna add the vegetables first because I don't want them to get too cooked, and then we're gonna add the chicken. We have the carrot, one small zucchini, beautiful tomatoes, all different colors. So now we're gonna take the vegetables out. We're gonna use the same pot for the chicken. Tablespoons olive oil. To get a little brown. We brown the chicken lightly. Smells amazing with the onion, the garlic. This is a good meal with the whole family, friends over. Chicken broth, the whole bags. And we're gonna let that cook down. It takes about 30 minutes, 35. And this medium high for half an hour, 35 minutes. And then we come back and we're gonna add the vegetable and the orzo, and it's gonna be done. It's very okay, like you see, the chicken is done. And now it's time, we're gonna add the orzo. They have the small orzo, I have the big one, orzo. It's about a 1 cup. And I'm gonna add the vegetables we have before. Look all these colors, how beautiful they are. Let this cook another 10 minutes for leftovers too. Delicious. Now we're gonna serve. So this is done, already cooked. So I'm gonna add a little bit mascarpone. Make a difference, believe me. Beautiful. Oh my God.
Thank you.
You did a good job, I guess.